Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Bonsai Pink City. So I bought this Adenium from one of the supermarket nurseries in America. I got it around $17. Now we will take this plant out of the pot and see how the roots are. You can start removing the soil gently without making any harm to the caudex. As you can see, the caudex came out really nice and thick. So you have to repeat this process every year, so no need to take out all the soils at once. I'm going to shift this plant in a clay pot. So I got this pot from the same nursery in $6. It's a short height pot, so it will allow the caudex to grow thicker rather than getting longer. For this plant, I don't want to keep so many fibrous roots, so I will keep one or two roots which are more stronger and remove the other one. Do not water the plants for 3 or 4 days after pruning the roots and branches. Give the plant some time to dry and heal first. This will prevent the plant from fungus attack and root rots. Make sure that you don't leave any air gaps to avoid root rot. This white caudex will slowly start turning into green by the process of photosynthesis. Now it's time for pruning, so I'm going to remove the leaves and make some cuts. Always clean your blade with alcohol wipes or any disinfectant liquids, hydrogen peroxide, Dettol, any which are easily available at your home. This pruning will help us to get multiple branches from single branch, and that will lead to more flowers and a thicker caudex. Wipe the liquid with a clean tissue and then apply some turmeric or cinnamon powder or any kind of fungicide to avoid fungus attack. Thanks for being with me till then. I'll see you in the next video with the updates. Thanks for watching.